When you search for the best flight sticks for PC, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy images. But to find what truly delivers an immersive experience, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Thrustmaster T16000M FCS Space Sim Duo. The Thrustmaster T16000M FCS Space Sim Duo caught my eye right away with its dual Hall effect sticks and 32 programmable buttons. Priced at $149.99, it's not the cheapest option, but if you want precision control during intense dogfights, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Hall effect sensors provide pinpoint accuracy, which means every small movement registers perfectly, critical when you're navigating tight spaces or engaging in battle. The 32 buttons ensure you won't have to take your hands off the controls, allowing for seamless management of weapons and flight systems. Plus, the weighted bases keep the stick stable during even the most frantic maneuvers. With a 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate this level of precision. Now, some people complained about the learning curve due to the number of buttons. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about flight sims, investing a little time to get familiar with your controls is totally worth it. You're not going to find another stick that gives you this much control. This is perfect for you if you're a hardcore flight sim enthusiast looking for high performance. Skip this one if you want something more straightforward or are just starting out. The value for money here really shines for avid gamers. Now, if the price of the T16000M FCS Space Sim Duo gave you pause, the next one offers a fantastic balance of performance and affordability. Product number 2, Thrustmaster T16000M FCS. Next up is the Thrustmaster T16000M FCS, priced at $79.99. This joystick offers powerful features at a more accessible price point. If you want precise control without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What's great here is the HEART magnetic sensor technology, which gives you that drift-free accuracy. With 16 programmable buttons and a hat switch, you have enough control to manage all flight simulator functions effectively. Plus, its ambidextrous design means you can customize it to fit your dominant hand, ensuring comfort during long gaming sessions. Now, some users have mentioned that the button layout can feel a bit cramped. But here's the thing, the trade-off for the price is significant control and comfort, which can outweigh this minor issue, especially for the casual player. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid entry-level flight stick that won't disappoint. Skip this one if you need extensive features or are a pro gamer. For the cost, you're getting a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more immersive experience. Product number 3, Thrustmaster T-Flight Hotas X. The Thrustmaster T-Flight Hotas X is a great choice at $74.79. What caught my attention here is its comfortable ergonomic design that feels like you're really in the cockpit. If you want a flight stick that feels good in your hands, this is worth a serious look. The detachable throttle gives you flexibility in how you set up your gaming space, and the adjustable resistance on the joystick allows for personalized control, making it easier to perform delicate maneuvers. Plus, with 12 programmable buttons and 5 axes, you have plenty of options to customize your flight experience. With a 4.5-star rating from over 8,200 reviews, it's clear many users love this stick. But here's the thing, it performs surprisingly well for the price, and if you're not an ultra-competitive gamer, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for comfort and flexibility in your flight sim setup. Skip this one if you prioritize high-end materials or a very professional feel. For what you pay, it's a solid investment for casual simulations. Now, if the T-Flight Hotas X's plastic construction concerns you, the next option is a bit pricier, but offers a more premium feel. Product number 4, Logitech GX56 HOTAS. The Logitech GX56 HOTAS is quite the step up at $229.99. What drew me in was the military-grade precision it promises. If you're serious about your flight simulations, this is worth a serious look. This controller boasts 24 programmable buttons and customizable options, which means you can set it up exactly how you want for any flight scenario. The RGB backlighting is a nice touch, allowing you to match it to your gaming rig. Plus, with its adjustable stick force and twin throttles, you're getting a level of control that appeals to the most serious of flight enthusiasts. It currently holds a 4-star rating from nearly 2,900 reviews, showing it has a solid fan base. However, some users found the setup process a bit complicated. But here's the thing, if you're willing to invest the time to fine-tune your settings, the payoff is a fantastic control experience that enhances gameplay. This is perfect for you if you're looking for high-end precision and are ready to invest in your gaming setup. Skip this one if you're on a budget or just starting out. The quality here reflects the price, making it a worthwhile addition for serious gamers. Alright, that was an impressive option. But if you're looking for something that balances quality and price even better, take a look at this next one. Product number 5, Thrustmaster T-Flight HOTAS 1. Finally, we have the Thrustmaster T-Flight HOTAS 1 at $96.99. This one stands out because it's officially licensed and offers an amazing balance of features. If you need a dependable stick that works seamlessly with both PC and Xbox One, this is worth a serious look. This joystick offers a modular design, allowing you to set it up in a way that feels comfortable for you, whether on a desk or in your lap. It's got 14 programmable buttons, dual rudder control, and the adjustable resistance is a great feature for those who want to fine-tune their flying experience. The 4.4-star rating from over 5,400 reviews shows that a lot of users appreciate this controller's versatility. Some users have mentioned the throttle can feel a bit stiff at times. But here's the thing, many find that it adds to the realism of the experience, so it might actually enhance your gameplay rather than detract from it. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile flight stick that works across platforms and offers great features for the price. Skip this one if you're looking for a purely PC-focused controller. For the price, it delivers solid performance and is definitely worth considering. So to wrap things up, we've looked at the Thrustmaster T16000M FCS Space Sim Duo for those wanting high precision, the Thrustmaster T16000M FCS as a great entry point, the Thrustmaster T-Flight HOTAS X for ergonomic comfort, the Logitech GX56 HOTAS for serious gamers requiring precision, and finally the Thrustmaster T-Flight HOTAS 1 for versatility across platforms.